Here's how to log in into KeyBank Online Banking account. First, open up any web browser. Now head over to the official KeyBank website, which is key.com. Here you want to tap on the sign on option. Now select sign on. Select enroll in online banking if you are new. Once you have selected sign on, over here you need to enter your credentials. First, enter your user ID. Once you have entered that, now enter your password. If you want to save your user ID, check this box that says Save User ID. Now tap on the Sign On option. If the details you've entered are correct, you will be successfully logged into your account. In case you have forgotten your password or user ID, or you are facing any problem signing on, then tap on the Problem Signing On option. From here you have different options like Forgot my user ID, Forgot my password, Unlock my account. Select one of these options to fix that problem. In this way, you can easily log into KeyBank Online Banking account. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.